Morning everyone. Today we're going to be doing a horse pasture improvement. Test fire started here and we have sustained winds of 7 miles an hour with 19 mile an hour gusts. So this is a 3-acre field. Joni is going to be making a black line now, as we're going to show you. And there's that wind we were talking about. Daisy found a donkey. That's what she's barking about. Daisy, stop barking at the donkey. He's a sweetie. As you can see, this burn is pretty quick. We're fertilizing the root systems on these little oaks. Because this is flat pasture land, a lot of your trees are very, very small because there's sparse amounts of moisture in the summer here. So this is really going to help to fertilize the land. You can't bark at the miniature horse. To meet you. What you doing? See what you doing? You're cute, ain't you? Okay, back to fire videos. There's Mr. Lobo there. This is his land. We're making a black line on the back of it so none of the fuel can jump over our fire break. We have a 20-foot fire break here. Burn permit's number 160. And as you can see, it won't jump. Healing the land, one fire at a time. Yeah, doesn't it? You're good. It's a free country. You can say what you want. And just like that, get a little crispy. And that's why we have to burn our stuff, because that pine straw there is steadily burning. It's going to end up killing the bottom half of this tree, and then this guy's going to start going up. Perfect for this land. All right, so you can see here, this is a black cherry tree. I have a little pile going up right here. This will be done in about 8 minutes.
You see this one?
You call for a permit?
Yep.
Permit 160.
160. Wow. Burn, baby, burn. Look at all this little blue stem. So now she's going along the fire break and blacking back with the wind. As you can see, all the competition for water is gone for these pine trees. There's that fire hazard. If this was in summer, it'd be killing every one of these trees. It's 32 degrees outside right now. All that brush is gone now, so these trees can grow and new weeds can come up and new grass. Welcome back to part 2 of Horse Pasture Improvement. Right now we're blackening off our line for our fire break so nothing can jump. Joni is throwing a lot of this fire so most of this grass can get out of the way and it's not a big deal. Alright, so we're doing the last little section here, letting this wind creep over and burn all this fuel out. Really cool to see here is this usnea, or old man's beard. That shows you it's a very clean air environment here. When this stuff turns gray, you know it's dead and it's got pollution. Alright, so we had a little bit of a breakout, but we got it taken care of. Now you can see how clear the land's getting. She's burning in flank fire. She did a flank fire here, another one here. Now she's doing a third one here. This allows this flame height not to get above 6 foot and scorch these trees he wants to keep. There's all that medicine on that usnea tree. Old man's beard, and it's actually a dead tree. That's why it's colonized on it. As you can see here, he's got dirt in the back of this truck and a shovel, and he goes and throws it on the fire break if there's any issues. I take the leaf blower and do the same thing by blowing out the heat so it can't burn. Alright, so we're in the mule and we're going to go help Joni out. We got to move these hay bales here before we can get started on burning this part of the field. As you can see here, she's doing a little spot fire. Alright, so what she's going to do is she's going to walk into this field and go 10 foot out from the current fire, do flanking fires, so none of this gets too tall and hurts our oak trees, right? We want to save those trees. I'm going to back up so this gasoline truck doesn't catch on fire. Alright, we got that little island taken care of now. It's going to burn back to our black line, as you can see over there in our fire break. That's a pretty good day. So we changed the plan up a little bit. It looks like that tree is going to get knocked out.
They want to turn this whole backside into a pasture anyway.
Oh, okay, so they're taking the trees down anyway?
Yeah.
Well, the more you know.
They want to turn this whole backside into a pasture anyway. Oh, okay, so they're taking the trees down anyway?
Alright, so we're going to So this is an easy way you can clear land. Windy day, dry temperatures, pasture improvement. Fertilize the land. See those two fires coming together. Thanks. Welcome back to part 3 of pasture improvement. As you can see here, we just got done burning this and it's already out. That literally took 7 minutes to do. And as we learned in the last video, they're gonna burn off most of these trees and get rid of them slowly for more horse pasture area so they can feed their horses the natural way. In doing this, you're not only gonna improve forbs and brassicas in the land, but we also learned that native grasslands need fire and ecology to allow all those seeds to go in the wind and repopulate this area we just cleared. As you can see now, she's doing a flanking fire on this 20-foot section. A lot of this overgrowth pine and whatnot, it's gonna lose its lower leaves and then boost up as a response. Now because we have all of this here burned, we're not concerned with this fire breaking over and coming out. Fire breaks all the way around the property. For those of you wondering what a fire break is a pathway, usually 8 foot legally required, to break the rate of fire. There's no fuel here, and the little bit of fuel that there is can easily be stopped out. Shoveling dirt like this, or taking your foot and smothering it with no oxygen, or blowing it out like this. Look at Daisy do. Now we're gonna get on the golf cart and go make sure our fire break hasn't been broken. Looks like we are all good. You gonna win, bro? So he's getting the tractor right now and going to remove some of the hay bale, as you can see there. Right now he's driving the tractor with his daughter and pushing another fire break just to make sure nothing comes this way. He's a hell of a painter too. Alright, let's go through this little section again. You can see over there we got a burn pile that's coming up. It's got about 12-foot flame. Oh, look at that, man. That whole bush is getting engulfed. This is before we start burning in here. There's a lot of coyote issues, and he's had one horse killed already just from coyotes taking him down. We don't want hiding spots for coyotes, so we got to get rid of all these woods and bracken and blackberries, and it's got to go. And the coyotes are coming from the pond down here, but he doesn't own that, so just kind of manage as we go. Yep, so he pushed this fire break right here with the front end loader. Look at the baby playing on the trampoline. Here's Miss Joni, and we're about to start making another fire here. That's what we would hate to see in summertime. It's 32 degrees out here right now, but you would lose every single tree on this property if you lit this in summer. Not only that, it would spread out there to the pasture for the cows. So, let's go over here and watch. All right, welcome back to part 4 of pasture improvement. Right now we're going over here and checking all these burn piles, making sure everything's burning as it should, manning our fire breaks for little get outs like that. Everything's going well though. Look at that. That's one powerful lady right there, dude. Commands fire with the might of her hand. Look at that. Oh man, that's awesome. Look at that pretty stuff. Woo, that heat's hot, man. There's those bushes we looked at in the last part 3. Let me turn the motor off real quick. Y'all can listen to that. And if y'all are wondering, a shoe-marred oak, black cherry, loblolly pine, eastern red cedar, blackberry bushes. Something majestic about watching stuff burn. Alright, we gotta move. It's getting hot. Okay, we're good now. But yeah, all this under thatch is gone now. It's gonna allow new germination and stuff for the horses to eat. Win-win. Yep, yep, yep. Burning, burning. You can see over there the horsies, they got their horse blankets on. Oh yeah, we making some smoke, Bo. You having fun? He's making a fire break. As you can see there, he's getting rid of the fuel by scraping it on the ground. Now we can actually drive through here. Look at all this. Very nice. Our pile burnt down to just dirt. That's real good. It is smoky. So you can see in here he's making his fire break for the loblolly pine that's burning. And all the brush is pretty much done burning. All right, we got to get over there and put that out. All right, that's done. Looking good, looking good. All right, welcome to part 5 of pasture improvement. Today we are going to be burning all of this off. Has never been burned. I'm walking through blackberry vines right now, but we got that good heading fire. As you can see there, it's going to clean the ground. It's exactly what we want. Look at that. Raw power, son. Woo! All right, let's go. Alrighty. Alright, we want to kill that Bradford pear there. We'll do a backing fire. Alright, he just got done plowing the fire break, so now we're going to go back and back burn it. So it can't jump the fire break. And this is going to be a safe, good burn. Got this whole area to do here. As you can see, it's burning the under canopy. Gonna get a good, healthy burn. Yep, yep, yep. Alright, as you can see, that's all clear now. Alright, now we're getting a backing burn action going along our fire break. It's just been plowed and pushed. You can see over there, those big flames are all that pine straw and other particulate matter on the ground that has not been burned in 15 years. This white tree here is a black cherry tree. Feeds a lot of wildlife. Alright, everything going well? He says it wasn't good enough for him, so he's making the plow just a little bit wider. Fine with me. As you can see here, now we can walk through here. Let's go. He said it was snow. It's snow. And some very warm snow. See all the fire ants? When they build a mound up like that, it tells you that the ground doesn't drain very well. So, I think it did a pretty good job. See here, this eastern red cedar is loving it. As you can see there, there's that 20-mile-an-hour gust wind we needed. It's clearing everything just perfectly. So we're gonna light this line of blackberry brambles. You can see the thorns on it already done got me in the face twice. And there's that big shift in the wind. See there, that's why we have the fire break, because it's trying to spread, but it can't. That's perfect. Here he comes with a tractor. Alrighty. Well, that was fun. It snowed. It's all clear now. Look at that. Alright, we're getting closer to the close. Not quite. I will see y'all in part 6. Thanks for watching. Alright, we're going to do our final strafe now. Right here we have the horse pasture we don't want to burn. And we have some property that other people own we don't want to burn. So we're going to get all this in here. Burn. Alright, you ready to go?
Yep.
Alright. We're going to black this line on the fire break. So, alright, now we're going to make our strafe with our 20-mile-an-hour wind. Let all this blackberry vine and little blue stem burn up. Not to mention the leaves. Look how pretty that is. Alright, we're going to let it consume this pile. Look at that. Don't want that over there to burn. Wind is going perfect. Alright, we're back at our starting point. Now we can sit back and watch the magic happen. Yep, yep, yep. Go in here to this blue stem grass and set a spot fire. Let that stuff get tall. See that wind picking up. Look at this blue stem. Watch out, Daisy. Gonna get trapped, bro. Come on, bro. We're gonna light this pine tree up. So you can't see nothing? Watch this. Wind is in there getting it. Oh yeah, we did a good job. Look, a rat! Ew! Look, another rat. Is it a vole or a mice or a shrew? Who knows? Oh, look, a rabbit! All right, now we're gonna walk through this this stance. See that pine tree going up? Look at it! Wow! Holy crap, dude! That pine tree's done, bro. Oh my God. Wow. Woo! And that's why California don't have no trees and no forest no more. Neglect. It's not good. All right, we'll see y'all in part 7. Bye. All right, welcome back to part 7. We just burned this pine tree up because it never been burned in the last 20 years. All right, on second inspection, after burning this thing, it is okay. We blackened the bark a little bit, and we definitely killed some lower limbs, but it's gonna be all right. Look, it's Daisy Doo. Hey, Daisy. Good to see you, baby. Yep, so that fire's about done. All right, we're gonna go get something to eat after we get a shower, get all this grime off of me. But thank y'all for watching. We'll see y'all later. Bye.